Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with safety. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and chock the rear wheels. Next, lift the front and place quality jack stands under the pinch welds so you have safe access. Once supported, remove the wheel and break loose the sway bar link nuts, one at the control arm or strut and one at the sway bar. Doing this early saves time and prevents the assembly from spinning when you remove the link. Once the nuts are loosened, hold the stud with the correct hex or Allen key in the end to stop it from spinning, and back off the nuts. If the ball joint is stuck, apply penetrating oil and use a pickle fork or a ball joint puller to separate it. You avoid damaging the sway bar or control arm by prying. After removal, lay the old link next to the new one to verify length and bushing orientation so installation is identical and correct. You install the new sway bar link by hand threading both upper and lower studs, making sure the bushings are seated and oriented exactly like the original. Once hand started, torque each nut to the factory specification. Do not guess. Then reinstall the wheel, lower the truck, and torque the lug nuts. After a cautious test, drive with slow turns and bumps, listen for clunks. If you still hear noise, recheck torque, confirm bushing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.